In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to change pin on Piggyvest app. All you just need to do is just log into your Piggyvest app and then scroll all the way down. Then you're gonna see, look down below, you're gonna see account. So just click on that. Then you're gonna see this page just like this. So scroll all the way down. Then you're gonna see security. Just click on that. Then right here, you're gonna see all the listed features. Just click on change pin. So you can see change your pin, create a pin to secure your Piggyvest account. And if you already create a pin already, you see that they will ask you to input the pin that you are using before, and there will be an option to put in the known pin you want to be using. So it's gonna be a 6-digit pin. So you can see right here, 6-digit pin. So just input the known pin you want to be using, and that is how you can create or change your pin on Piggyvest app.